Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes gym easy method. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and add a thin layer of oil or butter. Whisk flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and a pinch of cinnamon together. In another bowl, mix milk, egg, and a splash of vanilla. Combine until just blended, then let the batter rest briefly while you warm your pan and prep toppings. Use a steady medium heat and a consistent pour to get even pancakes every time. A 1/4 cup measure or 3/5-inch ring helps create uniform rounds that cook evenly. Watch for bubbles to form and edges to set before flipping. Flip once and cook briefly on the second side to avoid soggy centers. Transfer finished pancakes to a warm plate or low oven so they stay soft while you finish the batch. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere and keeps pages handy while you cook. It fits in a drawer and is perfect for following steps without splattering your phone. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and grab one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. For gym-friendly pancakes, swap part of the flour for oat or almond flour to boost protein and fiber. Mixing in a scoop of protein powder or using low-fat milk keeps macros balanced without sacrificing texture. Consider mashed banana or applesauce for natural sweetness instead of sugar. Finish with berries and a small drizzle of honey or Greek yogurt for added protein and a fresh contrast that complements the pancake flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.